Unveiling Samsung's bold new tri-fold phone, the Galaxy G Fold. Exciting news from the world of smartphones. Samsung is stepping up its game once again with an innovative device that promises to revolutionize the foldable phone category. We're getting our first glimpse of Samsung's upcoming tri-fold handset, rumored to be named the Galaxy G Fold, ahead of its grand reveal at Samsung Unpacked next week. But here's where it gets intriguing. One of the standout features is its two inward folding hinges, creating a distinctive G-shaped fold, diverging from the design seen in some of Huawei's foldables. The unfolding story of the Galaxy G Fold. As Samsung gears up to showcase its latest foldable tech, the speculations are running high. The newest One UI 8 build has revealed fascinating animations that give us an exciting preview of how this device might look and operate. These animations suggested the device's three distinct panels: a triple camera setup, a cover display complete with a front-facing camera, and a rear panel without a display. A bold new foldable mechanism. In a surprising twist, Samsung's approach with a pair of inward folding hinges sets its tri-fold phone apart from its competitors. Instead of a single outward hinge like Huawei's design, Samsung opts for a pair of inward hinges. This G-shaped fold allows the phone to maintain a sleek, compact form when folded. But here's where it gets controversial. Although the term tri-fold might suggest multiple screens, the Galaxy G Fold features just two displays across three panels, making the tri-fold terminology somewhat misleading. So could multi-fold be a more accurate term? It's certainly food for thought. Samsung's forthcoming Unpacked event still holds many surprises. To what extent these innovations reflect the final product remains uncertain. Could Samsung opt for even more groundbreaking features? Stay tuned as we bring you the latest updates. What do you think about Samsung's approach to foldable phones? Share your thoughts below.